Okay, welcome to lesson 2, my second video. In this video, I'll show you how to edit HTML documents. That's the color of the HTML document. Is the color of the background color, the size, font style, font color, those things. There are two ways to edit an HTML document. That's using the HTML method and the CSS method. But since I'm mainly focusing on HTML, I'll show you the HTML way of editing a document. So first, let me just put some things here. Yeah, let's see. Let me refresh this and see. Yeah. Why is this a scan? This is come. Okay. Yeah. So let's see. First thing I'm going to show you is how to edit the background, how to change the background color with the HTML method. So let's see, space. So in the this how I do it in the first tab. So now we're working on the whole body. So in the first body tab, that's the opening body tab, you type in style equal to, then double quotations. Then what do you want to edit in the body? Let's say the background color, background hyphen color. Beware, the color is COLOR, not COLOUR. Okay, then colon. Let's say working on blue. No, I think I'll use blue and black don't really go. So no, I like yellow. Background color yellow. Then save, refresh, works. Now let's say you want to add one. Okay, so this is the background color. You change the background color. Advice after each change you make with the semicolon, that's if you're going to add one extra thing. And you realize that after saving, I didn't really put it back, and it still worked. Now let's see. I think I'll change the color of the heading. The first heading, that's hello, and let's see. To change this, you don't use fonts color. Instead, you use just color, because since we're talking about the heading, it automatically changes the color. You guys don't need to put fonts color. Let's see. I think I'll use red for that. Okay, save and refresh. Okay, so there, as you can see, the hello has been changed from black to red. And let's see. Now changing the background. Okay, there's something called padding in HTML, and it's like around the text. There's a border around the text, and you can change the border, the color of the border. So now it's somehow transparent, so you just see the background, but you can change the color of the border. So for example, if you want to highlight something, I change the color. So for that, background color. Okay. Let's say I want to change it. The text is red, so I think I'll change it to blue. Okay, like this, save, now refresh. As you can see, this whole place is blue. So you can do that. Now the next thing I'm going to change is the fonts type, the type of fonts being used. That I won't go to the heading, but rather to the paragraph. So it's down. That's because the heading is getting a bit too long. Okay. Let's see. So for this, we don't actually use fonts. We don't use the property fonts and type. Rather use fonts family. Yeah, like family of fonts. I think I'll use the Dana. Sorry. Then you know what's happening. Okay, the Dana. Make sure you get the spelling right. Yeah, Dana. See. And changes from this to this. Okay. Next thing with the font size. Okay, font size. Then we use here we can use a percentage to do it. So it's a 300%. I don't really use this, so let me just see how this works. I don't really use the font size. That's great. Let's see 100%. I think this is what I started out with. So it's like it's always 100%, and you can increase or decrease it by the size that you want. So 50% should be half of what is currently there. I think, yep, that's half. Okay, then now we work with text alignment. Now you know mostly text as a heading, first heading is mostly in the middle of the document or of the web page, but as right over here it's actually left and render or justified, as you can see, the left side of the document to the page. So we're going to move it to the center, and for this the property you need is text hyphen align. Let's see, go center, save, refresh. Yep, move to the center. I think I'll change the font color. The red looks weird, so I'll change to white. Okay. Now the document is everything is centered. Now let's try right. Right. Okay. Save. Yes. Yeah, I think I prefer the center. Okay. So that's pretty much all for HTML style and HTML editing. So now I think I don't really want to stop here, so let's go to another topic. Actually, the next topic, which should have been the next video, is HTML formatting, but I think editing and formatting together is okay. So removing all this, that's the formatting I did, the editing I did, and that's always confused me in school. Okay, so now HTML formatting. For this, I think I'll make this a sentence. This is how are you doing? think I'll change the background. Okay, forgot to remove this. I think I just realized why everything is like that big. It's not in one size. It's because I didn't put the new market. So now it looks like we've learned one thing. If you do not end if you do not close do not use the closing tag correctly, it's going to apply for everything. So let's see, refresh. Everything should be how it's supposed to be, like it. Okay, so now in HTML, first thing we learn here is bolding. Think I'll bold the is, and in bolding the property we use is B. You can use B or you can use strong. I prefer B because it's actually easy to remember. So that's opening B, as you can see, opening B, closing B. Okay, I actually meant to close the sorry. Okay, so let's see, the is should be border. See, F5 to refresh, and it can't really be seen the size. So let me just increase the size of that, the font size of that paragraph. So the is it can't really be seen as bordered. I think 300% should be. Should be clear. Work. So I didn't really put the percentage there. Should be check. Yes, so you can see that the S is bolded, it has been bolded. Let's see. Next thing, I also have to show you how to use the strong. So if you change this B here to strong, strong is actually the first one, but people were complaining. Oh shit! People were complaining why it's not like bold or B, so it was made. Then B was added to it. Hold on, can't really be seen. Okay. So now refresh. It's still the same using the strong tag. Now let's try italicizing the letter U. And to italicize a text, we use the property I think I have to also increase the size here. Lazy. I think I remember reading this word somewhere. If you want to work down fast, give it to a lazy man who find a way to do it fast. So just copy and paste. There are which works. 06. So now I've italicized the U. So how are you? You see it has been italicized. And there is another property which is EM, that's emphasize. Same as the italicized. I don't like the book have two, big coincidence. Still the same. Now what else? Let's see, there's something called a small formatting. So for example, you type, you create a new paragraph. I think I should have used much more paragraphs. Yeah, that's forgot to close it. Okay, star. Have to make each and every one of it. Yeah, I just remember that I copied it, but I'm already done. So. Okay, so yeah, should have put it in here. Paste it. Then here, what should I type? Yeah, I think the best opportunity to start this. Please subscribe, like, and subscribe. If you haven't, okay. So now, let's see. I'll choose a word from this to make small or smaller than the rest. I'm gonna make it channel. Now the property for this, if you take the time to guess, is small. Make it small. Property is small. This is small. Save. So as you can see, unlike the rest, the channel right here is real small. Now the next property I'm going to teach you is mark. So it's like showing the background color of a text or a paragraph, but this to a single word. So I'm going to make it subscribe, because as a mark. Like from here on out, remembering the chunks, it's pretty easy. Now let's see. Gosh, yep, it has been highlighted. So let's say you have something on your page you want to be clearly seen. Mark is the property you need to use. Okay, returning back. Now, so I think if you've ever watched a cartoon and like type, okay, like this Pinocchio cartoon I once watched, like the word was cancelled and stuff. So interesting. Come to cancel something. So listen. In school, you make a mistake, writing, you make a mistake, you cancel it, you cross it out. This is the child to do that in your page, though I doubt you will really use this much. Delete. Okay. What? Oh, sorry. It is delete, but the tag is del, not full delete. I'm sorry for that. If you capture that in your mind, then please forget it. Now, as you can see, the please has been cancelled, has been crossed out. And now to underline a text, the property you need is insert. Insert is inserted or insert, but the property or the keyword there is ins. Ins. So I think I'll underline the heading. So ins. Close ins. Now the heading has now been underlined. Okay. Let's see now. The next property formatting is a subscript. I don't really want to make finish any of the words here, so I'll type some math calculation here. Let's see 2x plus 3x. Yeah, okay, so 2x plus 3x. Now save this, refresh, don't see it as this, but let's say a few x down. Oh no, h. How could I forget this? H2O. Okay, so we've got H2O, meaning stand for water, is the chemical equation for water, but you know the 2 has to kind of be real small and under the H. Well, that has been taken care of in by HTML subscripts. Copy, making it bigger, paste. Okay. So now to make the 2 smaller, the keyword we're going to use here, the property we are going to use is sub. So for that, it's supposed to be here. And save. Now the H2 you can see down there now becomes like the last sentence. Now becomes H down to O. So now let's go to after subscripts. If you guessed, you know that the next thing is superscript. Next thing is superscript. So let's see what am I going to use. I think this one I need a mass formula, so the square root of something. This is square x just same there. Square x is written as let's see, x capital X and square, that's x2. So save this. Sorry, let's go down. Still, by in superscript, the 2 is supposed to be right up here. That's where the cursor is. Should be about the length of the cursor. So for this, as the subscript is sub, then the superscript is soup. Come on. Okay, you see. See. Okay, so superscript, subscript. Okay, so I think this is the end of this video, and let me just go through the formatting because I think formatting is a bit complicated. Okay, so now let's see. So to bold a text, the property we use is strong or I, that is I. As to bolden a text, that's the property we use. To italicize a text, the property we use is EM or I. To cross or cancel a text out, the property we use is delete, DEL. Also DEL, that's empty, that is one. To highlight a text, the property we use is mark, MARK, mark. Now to make text smaller among its peers but not a subscript, the property we use or the keyword is small, SMALL, small. For subscripts we use SUB, and for superscript we use SUP. Do not mix them up. Now just thought of trying something else whether I and EM can be used. Let's see what will happen. Yep, just as I thought. Just as I thought. So it's not going to work with you. Rather, I should fix it up. Okay. So, thank you for watching my video, and please like and subscribe if you haven't. So next thing I will, the next topic of discussion here will be HTML quotations. Thank you and bye.